Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you beautiful and simple lasting hairstyle for baby. Today I bring for you different hairstyle for kids. Girls only. I bring for girls. Look at this, it's really simple and look nice. Okay guys, so I suggest for you, if you want your baby to still like to braid her hair, please braid her simple things like this. Print her simple things. If you braid her heavy things, she's going to feel like she tried to braid her hair. Braid her like this, simple thing. It's good for babies. Don't braid her that heavy things. Simple things keeps her to like to braid her hair. So today I bring for you different hairstyle for kids, girls, kids only, babies. I bring for you from 1 year up to 12. That's it. Today what I bring for you. Look at this. It's really simple and nice. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, just know you add me a lot. And look at this, it's really simple and nice. You know, when you braid your baby heavy things, it's hard. Look at it's simple, especially the babies 1 year, 2 year. You have to braid that baby simple things. Okay, you have to braid her something simple so that you can make her feel her to still love her hair. Okay guys, don't braid her heavy things. So in the end of the day, you're going to cut her hair simple like this, guys. It's really simple, nice and beautiful. Okay guys, so I wish you to watch this video hard so that you can choose any style you want, or any style you should like to plait your baby today or next time. So look at this, it's really easy, nice and simple. Okay, especially the baby who going to school, is really you're supposed to braid her simple thing. You have to keep cut to like her hair. If you braid her heavy things, she's going to tie her hair very soon. So this really nice. It's really nice. Look at this, it's really nice and simple. So guys, click the bell. Anytime if I post a video, if you subscribe and click the bell, you're going to get notification. So notification about my channel, about what I'm posting. So I wish you to enjoy this video up to end. I bring for you nice, beautiful hairstyle, natural hair, braids for baby. You just watch this video up to end. Enjoy this video. See you for next video.